In this video, we're going to briefly review the Unity interface. When you first open Unity, this is the general layout that you're presented with. You can change this layout with some predefined layout windows. Let's do that now. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the default drop-down and select 2x3. This is my favorite layout because it arranges the game and scene view on top of each other. Don't worry if you're not sure what any of these views are. We'll explain the interface in a second. Next, let's add the console window to your scene. Select the window option in our uppermost toolbar. Next, the general option, then console. We can move and dock these windows around by dragging them to the different sides of each panel. Here you can see I docked my console below my game panel. Now let's briefly discuss what each one of these panels are for. The toolbar is the topmost part of the Unity editor. From here you can manipulate objects, far left button group, and you can play and pause the game. These are the center buttons. The rightmost buttons are the group containing the Unity services, layer masks, and layout scheme, which features that we won't be really going over that much in this video, but we'll cover in future videos. The hierarchy window shows every item currently in the game scene. In the starter project, this is just the default camera and directional light, but when we create our prototype environment, this window will start to get filled with several other objects. Next, we have the game and scene views, which are the most visual aspects of the editor. You can think of the scene view as your stage, where you can move and arrange 2D and 3D objects. When you hit play, the game view will take over, rendering the scene and any programmed interaction. The inspector window is your one-stop shop for viewing and editing the properties of your objects. The project window holds every asset that's currently in your project. Think of this as a representative of your project's folders and files. The console is where any output we want or scripts to print will show up, from here or on out. If we talk about the console or debug output, this panel is where it will be displayed. Now that we've looked at the different parts of the interface, in the next video, we'll take a look at how we can navigate the interface and create some simple objects.